好，咁去到 Part C 啦，咁 Part C Section 1係 passive voice 啦。咁當你做 passive voice 嘅嘢嘅時候咧，唔該一定要喺空白位置幫我打個10字。好啦，做咩啊？你見到分開咗4格嘅，咁嗰4格係做咩咧？第一格唔該你同我寫低 simple tense。simple 分 simple past 同埋 simple present 啦，即係現在同埋過去式啦。咁佢哋嗰個verb 係點樣變啊？記唔記得？就係 be 加 pp 得唔得？好，第二個 modals 或者 future tense， 即係 will 啦。好啦，咁嗰啲 modals must 啊、will 啊、can 啊嗰啲，咁點樣變啊？3嚿嘢嘅，記唔記得？係個 modal verb 加 be 加 pp。好，咁頭先講漏咗少少啊 ，simple tense 嗰度個 be 咧，點解我有個4方框框住啊？即係話要變嘅。如果係 past，就將佢變做 was 或者 were。如果係 present，你就係變 is、am 或者 are， 得唔得？再加 pp。好啦，咁 modals 呢個 be 有冇4方框框住啊？冇，即係話照寫翻個 be 嘅。例如，如果係 will 的話，就係 will be。譬如個 pp 係 taken。咁樣個 be 係唔使轉嘅。好，咁第3嚿嘢係咩啊？就係一啲 continuous tense 啊，進行式得唔得？好啦，進行式即係咩啊？有 ing form 嗰啲啊，就係叫做 continuous tense 啦。咁 continuous 同 simple tenses 都係啦，都係有分 present continuous同埋 past continuous 嘅，即係現在進行式同埋過去進行式嘅。咁佢哋個動詞係點樣變啊？都係一樣啦。首先第一嚿嘢係 be， 不過呢個 be 咧係有4方框嘅，得唔得？第二嚿嘢係 being ing form。第3嚿嘢一定係咩啊 ？pp 㗎啦。example， 譬如係如果係現在進行式嘅個 be 頭先講咗啦，就係變咩啊 is、am 或者 are 啦。如果係過去進行式嘅就係 was 或者 were 啦。好啦，咁可能現在進行式嘅咁就係 is being， 又係譬如 taken by 邊個咁樣啦，得唔得？好，第4嚿嘢係咩啊？第4個範疇係啲perfect tense 啊，完成式啊，完成式都係有分咩啊 ？present perfect 同埋 past perfect 嘅。present perfect 本身個樣係點㗎 ？has 或者 have 加 pp。past perfect 本身個樣係點㗎 ？had 加 pp。得唔得？咁你見到有 has have 或者有 had 嗰啲就係 perfect tense 嚟㗎啦。好，咁跟住佢變咗 passive voice 之後，嗰個動詞係點樣轉啊？都係嗰句啦。如果係 present perfect， 咁咪即係 has 或者 have。跟住第2嚿嘢係加 been，b-e-n been， 再加 pp， 一定係有 pp 嘅。如果係 past perfect， 就係 had 加 been 加 pp， 得唔得 ？Example， I have been， 可能今次係被 Miss Mac 打啦 ，OK？hit by Miss Mac，OK？好，咁我做嘅時候要留意啲咩啊 ？highlighter 一定走唔甩㗎啦。我哋先睇 example。咦 part A 好簡單啫喎，純粹將個動詞變做 passive 嘅動詞啫。例如 The waiter took our order yesterday， 咁係咩 tense 啊？你見到 yesterday 又 或者你見到個 took， 你已經知道本身係冇錯，就係 past tense 啦。望下隔離 past tense 係點樣轉話 ？was 或者 were 加 pp。好，咁睇下個答案係咪係 was？ 點解係用 was 唔係用 were 啊？因為 our order 係一個 singular subject。好啦，跟住 take taken。PP 係 taken 得唔得？好，咁我哋望下第一題，我哋自己做嘅咯喎。Peter will prepare the dinner tomorrow。highlight 咗，佢間咗俾你㗎啦，其實都 will prepare 係乜嘢 tense 啊？望下 will modal future tense。咁佢會變做乜嘢啊？諗清楚先寫落去啊！我哋一齊做第一題啊。The dinner 寫翻個 modal will。第二嚿嘢係咩啊？望下係 be， 呢個 be 係唔使轉嘅。好，跟住 PP 咯喎，個動詞本身係 prepare 嘅 PP 係咩啊？係冇錯 ，prepared by Peter tomorrow。OK， 好，我哋一齊睇下 2 to 5嘅 verb 係乜嘢啊 ？Number 2， your cat。人哋 underline 咗俾你㗎啦 ，is scratching my sofa。哇！你隻貓啊喺度搲緊我張 sofa，is scratching 喎 ，is 加 ing 喎，係乜嘢 tense 咧 ？OK， 咁你自己諗下係 present 定 past 啦。好，跟住 number 3，Janice should bring her umbrella，should 喎。咁好明顯啦，係咪？好 ，Number 4，our team was winning。今次唔係 is scratching， 係 was winning 啦，唔係 is 係 was， 咁又係咩 tense 咧？最後 Lydia always buys third person singular 有 s 嘅，見唔見到？呢一啲一定係咩 tense 啊？有第三身單數 s 嘅。OK， 好，咁呢啲係簡單啦，淨係轉個 verb 啫。但去到 part B 唔係啦。咦，咁熟嘅呢一啲做法冇錯啊！我哋做咗成100條嗰啲 quiz 嘅方式啊，記唔記得？好啦，咁都係嗰句，先 highlight 咗個 verb 先，唔好懶。你見到呢個題目嗰度呢，有個 underline 俾你嘅。underline 俾你嗰啲係咩嚟啊？唔係動詞啊，係個新嘅 subject 啊，得唔得？譬如我哋先睇下 example 啊 ，waiters take orders in the restaurant。咦，咁 orders 係咪個動詞？唔係啊 ，orders 係個新嘅 subject 啊，得唔得？所以你見到佢轉咗做 passive 之後咧，佢就寫咗 orders， 見唔見到呢個就係本身 underline 咗呢一個啦，就變咗新嘅 subject 啦，主語啦。好，咁個動詞係咩啊 ？take 喎，咁 take 本身係咩 tense 啊？冇錯，就係 present tense 啦。所以你見到佢就會變咗乜嘢啊 ？be 加 pp，be 因為 orders。plural， 所以個 verb to be 就變咗 are 啦，跟住 PP taken by waiters in the restaurants。Alright， 好，咁我哋一齊做第一題啊。Christine is buying a ticket now。好，新嘅主語人哋俾咗你㗎啦，一定係咩啊 ？a ticket underline 咗俾你啦嘛。好啦，個動詞係咩啊？咦，好明顯喎。唔係 is 係咩啊 ？is buying， 咁係咩 tense 啊 ？is 加 ing， 冇錯就係 present continuous tense 啦。好，望翻自己個表 ，present continuous tense 轉做咩啊 ？be 加 being 加 pp 得唔得？好，咁即係點啊？a ticket 一個就係一張啫，咁我哋用 is 啦，然後中間第二嚿嘢 being 啦。buy 嘅 PP 係咩啊 ？buy bought B-O-U-G-H-T 被邊個買啊 ？by Christine。唔好漏 time word now full stop 得唔得 ？OK， 好，咁自己望下 2 to 5究竟嗰個主語嗱 highlight 咗俾你㗎啦，間低咗俾你㗎啦，自己去 highlight 翻個 verb 之後先做。我眼見呢2至5呢都係非常簡單嘅，得唔得？唔好錯啦，有冇問題？